In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an email newsletter in Canva with clickable links. Crafting engaging newsletters is essential for connecting with your audience and sharing your content effectively, and Canva makes this process incredibly easy and fun. So let's dive right in and explore each step of the creation process. First, let's head over to Canva's homepage. Once you're there, navigate to the search bar and type in newsletter. This will lead you to a variety of pre-designed newsletter templates that you can choose from. Canva offers a wide range of templates, each with its own unique style and layout. Browse through these options and select the template that best suits your needs and aesthetic preferences. Once you've found a template you like, click on the Customize this template button to start editing it. This will open up the template in Canva's editor, where you have all the tools at your disposal to make your newsletter truly your own. Within the newsletter template, you will likely find placeholder text, such as section for a website URL. You'll want to personalize this by replacing the existing site link with your own. Simply click on the text that contains the link and edit it with the URL you want your audience to visit. Next, focus on adding links to relevant sections of your newsletter. Begin by clicking on the three-dot menu, which unveils additional editing options. From these options, select Link. This function is pivotal as it enables you to make text or image elements interactive by adding hyperlinks. After selecting the Link option, a link dialog box will appear. This is where you paste the URL that you've copied earlier or enter the web address you want to use. Once pasted or typed in, ensure that it's accurate. A small typo could lead your readers astray. Now let's finalize these changes. To do so, click on Done to apply the link to your selected text or image. It's always a good idea to double check that all your links are working correctly by using Canva's preview feature. This ensures that there are no broken links when you share your newsletter. Congratulations, you have successfully created a stylish newsletter in Canva with embedded links that will lead your audience directly to your desired web pages. This not only enhances the visual appeal of your newsletter, but also increases its functionality, making it more engaging for your readers. With everything set and ready, download your completed newsletter and share it with your audience through your preferred email service. Canva's user-friendly tools make it simple to design a professional and effective newsletter that can be easily replicated or adjusted for future use. Thank you for watching and happy designing.